Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the following clip I will talk to you about step-by-step creating and optimizing YouTube channel. Stay with me in this clip and you will understand exactly what it is about. Pleasant viewing. Step-by-step guide optimizing YouTube channel. YouTube is one of the most popular video sharing platforms in the world. With over 2 billion monthly active users, it's a great way to reach a wide audience and build a successful online presence. But creating and optimizing a YouTube channel can be a daunting task. This step-by-step guide will help you get started and make sure your channel is set up for success. Setting up your YouTube channel. The first step to creating a successful YouTube channel is setting it up correctly. Start by choosing a name that reflects your brand and is easy to remember. You'll also need to create a profile picture and banner image that will help your channel stand out. Next, you'll need to create a channel trailer. This is a short video that introduces viewers to your channel and encourages them to subscribe. Make sure to include a call to action at the end of the video. Finally, you'll need to create playlists and organize your videos into categories. This will make it easier for viewers to find the content they're looking for. Optimizing your YouTube channel. Once you've set up your channel, it's time to optimize it for success. Start by creating a channel description that clearly explains what your channel is about and why viewers should subscribe. You should also include links to your website and social media accounts. Next, you'll need to create custom thumbnails for your videos. This will help them stand out in the search results and encourage viewers to click. You should also add tags to your videos to make them easier to find. Finally, you'll need to create an end screen for your videos. This is a short video that appears at the end of your videos and encourages viewers to watch more of your content. Creating engaging content. Once your channel is set up and optimized, it's time to start creating content. Start by brainstorming ideas for videos that will engage your audience. Make sure to create content that is relevant to your brand and appeals to your target audience. When creating videos, make sure to keep them short and to the point. You should also use high-quality visuals and audio to make your videos more engaging. Finally, make sure to include a call to action at the end of each video to encourage viewers to take action. Growing your YouTube audience. Once you've created engaging content, it's time to start growing your audience. Start by promoting your videos on social media and other platforms. You should also use YouTube's advertising tools to reach a wider audience. You should also collaborate with other YouTubers to cross-promote your content. This will help you reach a larger audience and build relationships with other creators. Finally, you should engage with your viewers by responding to comments and encouraging them to share your videos. This will help you build a loyal following and grow your channel. Alexandru, thanks for viewing. If you liked the video, don't forget